Are you a new Spectrum Mobile customer looking to activate your service? Or maybe you're switching from another carrier. Either way, this guide is for you. Follow these simple steps to get your Spectrum Mobile service up and running in no time. First things first, before you begin the activation process, ensure your device is compatible with Spectrum Mobile's network. You can find a list of compatible devices on their website. And remember, your new device should be powered off and ready to go. Next, turn on your device and connect it to a Wi-Fi network. This will give you a stable connection during the activation process. Now, it's time to open the Spectrum Mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have the app open, it will ask you to enter some personal information like your name, date of birth, and contact details. Be sure to have these details at hand. After that, you'll be asked to choose your plan. Spectrum Mobile offers a range of plans to suit your data and usage needs. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Once you've selected your plan, you'll need to provide your payment information. Spectrum Mobile accepts all major credit and debit cards. Next, take a moment to review and accept the terms and conditions. This is the final step of the activation process. After you've followed all the prompts, your device will begin activating on the Spectrum Mobile network. This process usually takes between 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it. Once the activation is complete, make a test call to ensure your phone number is active and working correctly. You've successfully activated your Spectrum Mobile service. If you ran into any issues during the process, don't worry. Spectrum Mobile's customer support is there to help you out. For more detailed information and troubleshooting tips, there's a link to the complete article in the video description below. Check it out and get the most out of your Spectrum Mobile service. Enjoy!